Circular functions. Find the circular functions of the following. Number 1, 210 degrees. To find the circular functions of 210 degrees, first we have to minus it by 180 degrees. So we have 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equals to 1 half in the unit circle, and cosine of 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2 in the unit circle. X and y, because it is in the quadrant 1, so our circular functions in 210 degrees is square root of 3 over 2 and 1 half. Number 2, 780 degrees. Minus it by 360 times 2, or 720, we have 60 degrees. Cosine 60 degrees is equals to 1 half in unit circle, and sine 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3 in the unit circle. X and y, quadrant 1, so our circular functions in 780 degrees is 1 half and square root of 3 over 2. Now let's move from in reference angle. Find the reference angle of the following. Number 1, 210 degrees. We only have to minus it by 180 degrees, so our reference angle of 210 degrees is 30 degrees. Number 2, 780 degrees. Minus it by 360 times 2, or 720, is equals to 60 degrees, the reference angle. Number 3, 310 degrees. Minus it by 360 degrees, so our reference angle is 50 degrees. Number 4, 120 degrees. Minus by 180 degrees, our reference angle is 60 degrees. Number 5, 110 degrees. Minus it by 180 degrees, so our reference angle from 110 degrees is 70 degrees. Now, in arc length. Find the arc length of the following. Number 1, 150 degrees with radius of 6 inches. So by following the formula of arc length, 2 pi times 6 times 150 over 360 is equals to 180 pi over 360. So we are going to divide it, so we only have 5 pi. So our arc length of 150 degree with radius of 6 inches is 5 pi. Number 2, express the angle 380 degrees in radian degree, measure whose radius is 10 cm. So arc length is 2 pi times 10 times 280 over 360. We have 7600 pi over 360. By dividing it, we get 21.11 cm. Now, let's move to trigonometric equation. Solve for cosine 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 over the interval 0 and 2 pi. For cosine 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, by getting the equation, we have to plus it by 3. So, we have 4 cosine 2x over 4 and 3 over 4. So, square root of cosine 2x is equals to square root of 3 over 4. We have cosine x is equal to positive negative square root of 3 over 4. So, our x is equal to pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6 in unit circle, and in degree, pi over 6 is 30 degree and 5 pi over 6 is 150 degree. Solve cosine x minus sine x is equal to 0. So, cosine x over cosine x is equal to sine x over cosine x. So, 1 is equals to tan x. So, x is equals to tan inverse. So, tan x is equals to 1. So, our x is pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. And in degree, pi over 4 is 45 degree and 5 pi over 4 is 4 degree. 5 pi over 4 is 225 degree. Now, in trigonometric expression, find the exact value of trigonometric expressions. Number 1, cosine 75 degree. So, to get 75 degrees, so cosine is 30 degree plus 45 degree. By following the step in getting the exact value, so we have to follow cosine 30 degrees, cosine 45 degrees, because positive we change it by minus sign 30 degrees and sine 45 degrees. So cosine 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2, cosine 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2, minus sine 30 degrees is 1 half, and sine 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. So 3 square root of 3 over 2 times square root of 2 over 2 is equals to 6, and 1 half times square root of 3 over 2 is square root of 2 over, so our answer is square root of 6 minus square root of 2 over 4. Sine 15 degree. So sine is 45 degree minus 30 degree. Sine 45 degree cosine 30 degree plus cosine 45 degree and sine 45 degree. So sine 45 degree is square root of 2 over 2. Cosine 30 degree is square root of 3 over 2 minus cosine 45 degree is square root of 2 over 2, and sine 45 degree is 1. By multiplying it and then minus, we only have 6 square root of 6 over minus square root of 2 over 4.